Okay, so we got a new motorcycle right here, GSX-R 1000R. We have some stickers on here that don't look really great because they're just kind of pointless. But if you want to remove them, apparently someone already tried to remove them without doing it the proper way. And if you want to know the proper way, pull out your handy hair dryer. So we're going to use a hair dryer. We're going to heat up the stickers on high heat and on high, and we'll get them kind of soft and a little mushy, and we'll be able to peel them off with these. So let's go ahead. Ooh, massage the sticker. You can keep the heat moving a little bit. It doesn't take much, so you know. But we're not using a heat gun. We're using an Infinity Pro hair dryer, so, which I think is good because you can't damage the paint or anything. And once it kind of starts to heat up, I have rubber gloves on, which are probably not ideal. I'll just kind of hold this back. Okay, I think I need rubber glove off. Get a little nail going, and I'm still heating it as I'm starting to peel, as you see. So keep the heat on. Whew. It's coming off a little bit. And just keep working it. I'm gonna turn it off for a second and just kind of see what I can come up with. Boom. It's lifting, it's just not lifting very cleanly. Whew. There's a fine line of becoming really hot. And I'm gonna try to just peel this off. Maybe a little low heat. There we go. It's not the prettiest right now, but we'll get there. Okay, we're gonna use our nail, what nail we have, and just continue doing this essentially. It's a little finesse for each sticker and adhesive. Ooh, that's really hot. So let me go and continue on. Maybe I can try the other side. And then what we do afterwards, we'll use Goo Gone to clear the adhesive. Okay, so I'm gonna decide to do the Goo Gone portion. I don't have much left. I got like a little blip of it, but this is essentially what you're gonna do. Use a really nice all cotton cloth like this. We're gonna put the cap and throw it on the ground. We're gonna take some Goo Gone and we're gonna try to be sparing with this because we don't have much. Okay, and we're gonna just wipe. And as you see, the adhesive will start to break. I don't know if we'll need any wax or anything after, but we'll take a little bit more Goo Gone. We're almost out of Goo Gone. Gone Goo Gone. So this is the little tedious process. And you want to kind of rotate the cloth a little bit because the adhesive will come off and stay on the rag. So use a fresh area so you won't just be rubbing. Whoop. There we go, almost out of the Goo Gone. Maybe we have the perfect amount. For just a sticker. My painter friend may have to take a little compound or something because it's been on for so long. But let me see, maybe a little elbow grease will get it to break. But definitely an improvement. You really can't tell that there was ever a sticker there, let alone 2 stickers. And really that's about it. I think we're pretty good to go. So hair dryer, Goo Gone, your weapons of choice for your little sticker removal on whatever you want to do.